Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is biodiversity, the variety of different species in an ecosystem. By the end of this video, you'll know why it matters, what threatens it, and what conservation actually means. Biodiversity is the variety of different species of living organisms in an ecosystem. High biodiversity means many different species. Low biodiversity means few. High biodiversity tends to give a more stable ecosystem. Different species fulfill different roles, so the loss of any one species has less catastrophic knock-on effects. Three things. 1. Biodiversity is about variety, not numbers of organisms. 2. Threats include deforestation, pollution, overfishing, climate change, monoculture agriculture. 3. Conservation tools include nature reserves, breeding programs, seed banks, fishing quotas, and international agreements like CITES on protecting endangered species. Common slip. Biodiversity isn't the total number of individuals, it's the variety of species. 10,000 individuals of 5 species has lower biodiversity than 1,000 individuals of 50 species. Variety matters more than count. Quick example. The Amazon rainforest has the highest biodiversity on Earth. Millions of species across plants, insects, mammals, fungi. A monoculture wheat field has very low biodiversity. Almost all one species plus a few weeds. Both are farmland or wilderness, but biologically they're worlds apart. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.